Turmeric milk. The ancient drink with incredible health benefits. What if we told you that the secret to reducing inflammation, boosting your immune system, and even preventing cancer could be found in a soothing cup? Unleash the power of one of nature's best-kept secrets right in your kitchen. We're about to delve into the world of a powerful brew that has been igniting the wellness industry and has researchers buzzing with excitement. Today, as we reveal the science behind turmeric milk, get ready to learn the key to a healthier life. Just a reminder, the information in this video is presented for educational purposes only and is not meant to replace advice from a qualified healthcare provider. 1. It enhances immunity. Starting with the vivid yellow spice, the magic begins. According to a 2017 study published in the Journal of Clinical Immunology, curcumin is the star of the turmeric shell, with significant anti-inflammatory and antioxidant characteristics that directly support the enhancement of your body's immunological responses. But hold on, turmeric contains more than simply the chemical curcumin. Often overshadowed by curcumin, research from 2018 in the journal Inflammapharmacology demonstrated that turmerone can boost the immune system. Additionally, turmeric contains over 200 additional active compounds that cooperate to boost the immune system. One of these compounds is an element found in turmeric essential oil, which has been demonstrated to exert immunomodulatory effects in a 2020 study published in Biomedicine and Pharmacotherapy. But turmeric isn't the only beneficial substance found in milk. Apparently, drinking turmeric milk on an empty stomach is like giving your immune system a supercharged combination of health-improving substances. Per a 2016 review published in Biochemistry and Cell Biology, the best defense is a healthy immune system. So why not start your day with this easy yet powerful immune-boosting habit? 2. It improves heart health. Now, when you drink warm turmeric milk on an empty stomach, many of the compounds in turmeric, such as curcumin, turmerone, elamine, furanidine, bisacurone, and others, start to work. To explain, consider the fact that curcumin, known as the superstar compound, has been featured in numerous studies. For example, a 2012 study published in the Journal of Nutrition revealed that curcumin enhanced the function of the heart. Let's shed some light on the lesser-known compound elamine. A 2017 study found that elamine can relax blood vessels, which may lower blood pressure and support heart health. In contrast, a 2015 study in PLOS ONE found that bis-dimethoxycurcumin and bisacurone, two other compounds in turmeric, may have anti-platelet activity. Every time you drink turmeric milk, keep in mind that it's not only a nice beverage, it's a habit that promotes heart health because the compounds prevent blood platelets from clumping together, decreasing the danger of blood clots that can cause heart attacks or strokes. 3. It decreases blood sugar. Have you ever wondered why turmeric, a spice you probably already have in your kitchen, has been gaining popularity in the world of health and wellness? Curcumin, the main active ingredient in turmeric, has been thoroughly researched for its wide range of health advantages. Curcumin appears to be important for controlling blood sugar levels. Curcumin has been shown to increase insulin sensitivity in trials, including one that was published in Diabetes Care in 2013. This indicates that your body can use insulin more effectively to lower blood sugar levels. Additionally, turmeric contains substances referred to as curcuminoids. One of these, bis-dimethoxycurcumin, has been seen to improve the uptake of glucose in our body cells based on a 2014 study published in the Journal of Molecular Nutrition and Food Research. Though turmeric offers some promising health benefits, you should not stop taking your prescribed diabetes medication because of it. Keeping our blood sugar levels stable requires a balanced diet and lifestyle, not just one miracle meal or supplement. 4. It helps brain health. When we drink this golden milk, the main attraction is a substance called curcumin, which is present in large quantities in turmeric. However, Curcumin is not a lone ranger, it is joined by other bioactive substances such as other curcuminoids and volatile oils which together constitute turmeric, the potent spice. According to a 2018 study in the American Journal of Geriatric Psychiatry, curcumin can aid patients with mild age-related memory loss by boosting their mood and memory. The anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties of curcumin can stop neuroinflammatory reactions and oxidative stress, which are key contributors to brain aging and neurodegenerative diseases. It may potentially increase brain-derived neurotrophic factor (BDNF) production, a substance that encourages the formation of nerve cells and substantially improves brain function. However, curcumin is not readily absorbed by the body. This is where turmeric milk comes into play. It's not just about the curcumin, other chemicals in turmeric like turmerone are being explored for their potential neuroprotective properties. Casein, a protein in milk, can boost curcumin's bioavailability so that more of this golden deliciousness enters our brains when you sip your next cup of turmeric milk. Keep in mind that you're not simply savoring a soothing beverage. A study published in Stem Cell Research and Therapy in 2014 suggested that aromatic turmerone may promote the formation of neural stem cells. 5. Mood improvement. Curcumin, a potent chemical found in turmeric, is intriguing because it can cross the blood-brain barrier, allowing it to enter the brain and boost its cells directly. Let's not overlook the milk component of turmeric milk. Milk is rich in protein, and one of the proteins it contains is tryptophan. Research published in the Journal of Affective Disorders in 2017 suggested that curcumin can have an antidepressant effect, possibly by increasing levels of serotonin and dopamine in the brain. These are the neurotransmitters that help us feel happy and motivated. The milk wonderfully complements curcumin since our systems use tryptophan to make serotonin, sometimes known as the happy hormone. However, bioavailability is another factor to take into account. Although curcumin isn't readily absorbed by our bodies, studies like the one published in the Planta Medica journal in 2018 demonstrate that piperine in black pepper can increase curcumin's bioavailability by 2,000%. Therefore, adding a dash of black pepper to your turmeric milk can significantly boost the benefits for boosting mood. Remember that while turmeric milk is a great ally in your health journey, it's not a magic cure. It complements a healthy diet and regular exercise. Conclusion: stay tuned to our channel for more easy but effective ways to improve your health. I'm going to start a health revolution right in my kitchen. Please remember to like, share and subscribe, and to drink your way to wellness, because every drop of health matters.